In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Trustpilot reviews in Taggbox. Since there's no direct Trustpilot integration, we're going to manually recreate those reviews inside your Review Hub dashboard. First, go to Trustpilot and open your business profile. Find the reviews you want to display and copy the review text, rating, and reviewer name. Now inside Taggbox, open Review Hub and make sure you are on the Form tab. This is where we create review posts. Click on Add Review, or use the form preview you see on the right side. Start by entering the review title, which can be a short summary of the Trustpilot review. Then paste the actual review text into the review field below it. Next, select the star rating that matches the Trustpilot review. You can also optionally upload an image, but that's not required. Once everything is filled, click Create Feed at the bottom. After that, your review will go into moderation if approval is enabled, or it will appear directly in your widget, depending on your settings. Repeat this process for each Trustpilot review you want to show. Finally, publish your widget, and your Trustpilot reviews will now appear inside Taggbox as native Review Hub content. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.